Hey guys, since a lot of you DM'd me about extra information about our earlier video with the healthy morning drinks, I am going to be giving you some additional information about water remedies. So if it's something that interests you, stay tuned and keep watching. So the last video that we spoke about, I told you about these healthy morning drinks that I really like and how they help, and it got a very positive response, and a lot of you asked me questions about how else we can use, what else can we mix with water for added benefits. And I have gone on and on and on about staying hydrated and the importance of being drinking enough water during the day on my channel forever. So here I'm going to be telling you something more that you can do so that your water gives you additional benefits. Okay, so what's great about what I'm going to tell you is that if you're not too fond of drinking this, you can also mix this in your face pack. Or you can just have this as base, this water as a base, and then you can add some besan flour to it or whatever and make yourself a home pack, and the results are still fabulous. And as usual, all of these things are very easily available in the kitchen or in the market, and they are very affordable, not expensive. You know my love for natural things. So without any further ado, let's talk about water remedies and how they can help us enhance our health, hair, skin, gut, you name it. Okay, so before I start listing the ingredients, there's a basic concept running here that you want to soak whatever ingredient we'll be discussing overnight and then use that water. Now if you're going to be drinking it, of course you want a tall glass of it. If you're going to be using it in a face pack, then obviously smaller quantities, or you can just mix and match it and just drink some and put some in. Okay, first thing I want to talk about is mint leaves. Now it's very easy to have a mint plant in your garden. It takes very little space. You can have a small pot, or otherwise of course you can go to a shop and buy the mint. If you do not get fresh leaves, dried mint leaves or even mint essential oil drops will work over here. If you're drinking it, it's gonna aid in digestion. It's great in relieving PMS symptoms. If you're cramping, if you're just in a funk during those days, and it's affecting your eating, nausea, if you don't have good taste in your mouth, if you're ill, so all of these things mint water is going to help with. It will give you a clean, fresh breath. If you're going to apply it on your face, it's great for antibacterial properties. It is great in reducing acne. Don't want to put it on active acne though. You want to just put it later on. The next thing I want to talk about is rose water. So you can get rose water, rose petals, and immerse them in, or boil them and leave it overnight, and then you can drink it by itself. So what rose water does, it's if you're not getting hungry, rose water helps in that. There's something about the fragrance of it that helps the hunger. So so is coriander water, by the way. Even that helps hunger. When I say hunger, I don't want to curb the hunger. I'm saying if you're not getting hungry, then you're supposed to be doing, just being clear. Okay, so rose water, everyone knows, is great for face packs. Again, it is an excellent toner. It calms the skin. It is going to help with cell regeneration, provided you're using good rose petals, good quality rose petals, and it's going to calm irritations. It's going to lighten your scars. So a whole lot of benefits for rose water. Don't buy a store-bought rose water. I mean, I know it's very easy, but it's so easy to just make it and bottle it and refrigerate it at absolutely no cost. So yeah. Cucumbers are another great ingredients to put in water and consume the water. So if you're consuming cucumber water, available in spas and everything, it's going to calm your nerves. Cucumber water is great to deal with nausea, and again it aids digestion. Something else that cucumber water does, and that is the reason that we drink it in summers and it's given in spas and everything, it keeps you hydrated for a longer time. So if you're going to consume a glass full of water, and if you're going to have a glass full of water infused with cucumber, you will see that you're going to stay hydrated for a longer time. So if you're consuming cucumber water, those are the benefits. If you're adding it in the mask, then you obviously know all the benefits by now. It's been so prominently used across in beauty industry. It's great to remove eye circles, reduce puffiness on the eyes, redness. Again, it's if you're using a cucumber toner, which is also very easy to do at home, it reduces the scars, removes irritation, calms the skin. Last but not the least, I want to mention good old honey. It's if you're consuming the honey water, check out the previous video. I have said the benefits of honey. It's antibacterial. It's going to promote weight loss. On your face, it's a great moisturizer if you have oily skin, because it doesn't weigh you down and it does not give you that oily, greasy feeling, but it hydrates you from inside, leaves you with a good glow, and it's good for acne. It will remove the acne bacteria. It's antibacterial in properties, so it's good for sore throat, and it's going to flush out toxins out of your body. Honey is also very good if you're using it in a tightening pack, because it holds the base material, that whatever you're using, if you're using eggs in your pack or if you're using rice flour in your pack. So all of those things work very well with honey. So these are my water remedies for healthy skin, healthy you generally. Tell me what you think about it. Any other tips and tricks that you do? I would love to know what your thoughts are on it, and stay tuned. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is me, Manjari, your lifestyler, saying bye bye.